Hello students, in this lesson let us discuss about the automation in your air traffic control aids. So this is a very small topic. We have to see what exactly is automation in air traffic control and what are the advantages of doing automations during the air traffic control. So to get started with, there has been considerable increase in your air traffic, right? Because of more movement of passengers and because of the reduction in the air prices and because of saving of time. So all these reasons the air traffic has been increased, and in order to cope up with this situation, more sophisticated equipments have been generally developed in order to assist the air traffic controllers, right? So they cannot just like that tell. So there are a lot of equipments which have come into existence. So by the introduction of computers at some air traffic control centers was the beginning of achievement of your automation, right? Initially they introduced the computers, and these devices can provide the controller with much of the routine informations which is essential to his job, and this will help what to have a clear and easy follow form so that it doesn't burden the operator, and hence it will relieve and help the operator to take more time on the essential decisions rather than just analyzing what has happened, right? Now the position and identities of all the aircrafts together with their altitudes can be seen at a glance on a single screen by the controller, and hence this will take a firm and accurate decision while directing the pilots, right? Because of the automation this is possible, right? So what are the advantages, main advantages of automation are as follows. The first one, it will accommodate to the increasing demand. Whatever increase in the demand is there, no, so it will accommodate a satisfactory benefit for the increase in the demand of air traffic, right? Second one, it will increase the capacity of the airspace by reducing the space between the aircrafts through improvised system. Initially what happened is, when there is no automation, the aircraft has to be very far away from each other, but now because of the automation, what we can do, we can space the aircrafts close to each other so that we have more space or more capacity in your airspace, right? The third one is, there is a possibility to expand the operational system in stages. Like first some stage we can expand, and then as and when the time comes and the need comes, we can go on expanding or go on increasing our automation of the air traffic control, right? Then fourth one, it will save or reduce the fuel consumption of your aircrafts, right? The fifth one is, the chances of any mid-air accidents or the surface traffic collision will not happen because of the automations. And then the operating cost of the systems are maintained at some reasonable level, okay, not too high or not too low. In a reasonable level, the maintenance cost will be established, and by automation you can decrease the number of technical people or the controllers which are needed in order to direct your planes, right? Technical persons you can write. And finally it will increase the productivity of the air traffic control person, especially in terms of the amount of air traffic that has been monitored by him. So these are the advantages of automation. So going for automation is beneficial for the air traffic control. So hope this lesson is clear to you. Thank you.